Go from this to this, so let's start. Starting with hydration, I'm using the Garnier Aloe Water Jelly and I'm applying this all over the skin, massaging it onto my face and onto my neck. To keep all that hydration in, I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. As you can see, I use this a lot and it keeps that hydration in the skin, acting like a barrier. For the eyes, I'm using my number 7 Firm and Bright Eye Cream. I love this because it comes on little roller balls. It's very, very soothing and it hydrates my eye area. Next up is my Lucy B SPF Serum. This is amazing if you find you have acne prone skin. It doesn't make you spotty and it makes your skin glow. Onto the brows, I'm going to zoom you in for this. So to start off, I am brushing through my brows to make them all in place. And I'm going in with my OG palette. This is the Benefit Browzings in dark brown and I'm brushing this through my brows. I use the powder shade and I just add a little bit of shape and dimension. Here's my before and after. Then setting that in place with my e.l.f. Laminating Gel, I start off by brushing it through the product and then I flip it round and I use the brush to disperse the product a lot more. To prime my eyes, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I find this works really, really well as an eyeshadow primer because it's not oily at all, so it really clings onto the eyeshadow and holds it in place all day. And then for eyeshadow, I'm going in with my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm starting with Burnt Orange. Literally on a big fluffy brush, I'm brushing this all over. Then taking the shade Rustic, I'm doing the same again and brushing it all over but focusing slightly more on the outer corner. Taking shade Tempera and I'm putting this on the inner corner to the middle of the eye and also going underneath the brow. This stops any mascara from transferring. For eyeliner, I'm going in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner and I'm starting off by creating a wing. I always look slightly forward for this because I feel like you get a much better shape. I'm then working my way into the inner corner of the eye and then once both eyes are done, I'm going to put on some lashes. These look horrible, I'm so sorry. They're from Carla, they're really, really nice lashes and they give a really, really voluminous effect. So I love using these, putting them on both eyes. I'm deepening the black more with the Benefit BADgal liner and I'm taking this on my waterline above near my lashes. Then taking my MACStack Mascara and I'm blending my natural lashes in with the false lashes. For the base, I'm actually starting with my bronzer. So this is my butter bronzer and I'm literally going to apply this in a 3 around the outer corner of my face on a flat end brush, really, really blending it in. I'm then going in with the same concealer as before and I'm going to take this all on the centre of my face. So starting off on my head, going under my eye and applying quite a lot under my eye. Taking this on the side of the nose, down the centre of the nose and then also on the chin. I'm then going to start blending this in and I really want to make sure that it blends in seamlessly with the bronzer, so I'm going back and forth between my concealer brush and the brush that I use to apply my bronzer. I then want to add a little bit more colour to the face, so I'm going in with my Glow Hub blusher and I'm going to be applying this on the nose and on the high points of the cheeks. Blending this in with a fluffy blusher brush. To set that in place, I'm also going to go in with my number 7 blusher and I'm going to be applying this directly on top of where I put that cream blusher. I'm also setting down all of my concealer and I'm using a brightening pink powder from Morphe to do this. I find it really, really enhances the blusher because it's also pink. To add that glow back, I'm using a highlighter and I'm applying this on the high points of my cheekbones and I'm also going to use my Colourpop shadow and put this on the inner corner of my eye. Going back in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner and I'm applying a little bit more eyeliner to the inner corner of the eye and then I'm also taking my Benefit pencil again and applying this on the underneath of my eye. To deepen that even more, I'm taking the black shade from my palette and also putting that underneath my eye. And again, also applying some mascara underneath my eye too. For lip liner, I'm taking my Wycon lip pencil and I'm slightly overlining my lips with this, but I'm going all on the outside of my top and my bottom lip. To fill that colour in more, I'm taking my Dior lipstick and going all over my lips with this where I didn't put the lip liner. And then this is the finished look all complete. So it's like a really intense sort of eyeliner, eyelash look, nude lips and very, very simple light skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the look. If you want to see more videos, please check out my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching and goodbye.